DoubleClick Search, or DS, is a unified interface to manage your search campaigns across multiple search engines, such as Google AdWords, Microsoft Bing Ads, Yahoo Japan, Baidu, and more. Without DoubleClick Search, you'd have to manage your search campaigns, ads, and keywords on each search engine separately. You'd also have to manually manage the attribution tags for each of these different paid search efforts. DoubleClick Search provides a single tool that streamlines search campaign management, provides integrated reporting, and automates the bidding process. Just as DS enables users to effectively manage all search marketing efforts in a centralized location, the Analytics 360 integration takes this advantage one step farther by allowing for side-by-side analysis of search marketing data alongside site behavior and conversion data. Imagine you have an e-commerce site and you use DoubleClick Search to run both Search Engine A and Search Engine B campaigns. You can view data from both DS engine accounts side by side and evaluate the e-commerce performance of your paid search efforts. In this example of the engine accounts report, you can see that Search Engine A drove about 2,400 sessions and roughly $4,400 in revenue. Search Engine B drove less than 1,500 sessions and under $2,500 in revenue. However, while Engine A drove more traffic and more total revenue, Engine B traffic actually had a higher e-commerce conversion rate. You can drill down into each engine account to see any individual campaigns that may be impacting performance. The DS Analytics 360 integration also improves your ability to compare paid search with other channels. The integration includes auto-tagging, which automatically sends traffic attribution values from DoubleClick Search to Google Analytics. By removing the need for manual tagging, auto-tagging simplifies campaign launches, prevents tagging error, provides additional granularity beyond standard UTM parameters, and allows for cost data reporting. Auto-tagging also ensures that all traffic from your DS ads consistently falls into the default channel group paid search, without a need to manually manage this across your different paid search accounts. This means that we can easily compare the performance of the paid search channel to other channels, such as display, organic search, email, and affiliates. Let's take a look at the channels report under acquisition and all traffic. Here, we've filtered the channels report to display only the affiliates and paid search channels. While affiliates brought in more traffic, 4,623 users compared to 2,082 users, the conversion rate and revenue from paid search are far greater. From there, you can further drill into the affiliates channel and work on optimizing affiliate conversion rates. If not already enabled, you can add the users metric to reporting by turning on the Enable Users Metric and Reporting setting under Property Settings. These are just two examples of how you can combine DoubleClick Search and Analytics 360 data to compare your paid search performance across various search engines and campaigns. This integration allows you to analyze performance indicators beyond what is available in DS reporting, such as site behavior, e-commerce, and conversion metrics. In the next lesson, we'll explore additional reports and other ways to use DS data in your Analytics 360 account.